Hey guys, today we're going to be teaching you the out exercise pertaining to the dumbbell retrieve. We're going to have the dog, like in the last video, on the tie out, and we're going to be engaging the dog's play drive, and we're going to show you how we can get this dog to spit that dowel out super fast, which makes for a better performance when trialing. With that said, let's get started. Okay, we're here, we're all set up, we're ready to do some dowel work with the dog. As you see, we have the dog on the back tie, we've got our dowel with the 2 eye bolts, we have the leather strap, and again, this is what we're going to do. We're going to engage the dog's play drive, we're going to play with him, and then from there we're going to bring out the toy, and we're going to teach him how to release the dowel in exchange for the toy. But first, let's put this dog in drive. You ready, buddy?
Yeah! Oh, that boy! Yeah! Oh, good boy! Good boy! Yeah! Yeah! Good boy! Good boy! Yeah! Good boy! Oh, good boy! Good boy!
All right, so we've got the dog. He's got a good grip on the dowel. Nice. We're doing a little bit of tug of war. Now what's gonna happen is, as I'm playing with him, keeping him busy on the dowel, I'm gonna reach back, I'm gonna grab, my toy that you see right here, and now I'm gonna do this.
Oops! Yeah, there we go. Good boy.
Down.
Good job, buddy. Good boy.
Now, once again, this is a finished dog, and this is why he released really quickly. In the very beginning, when I was teaching this guy, it wasn't as fast. You know, he was so engaged with the dowel and his play drive activated that when I brought it out, he saw it but he didn't really react to it quickly. So what I had to do is I had to take the tug and really start spinning it. And that basically stimulated his play drive. He released the actual dowel and he hit the tug. And then it was game on. And then I made it that the play was super huge. That's the one thing. It's one thing to deliver the toy, but it's the way in which you deliver it. If you just kind of give it to him and you just sit there, or you're just like really lazy like in the way of your play, it's like watching grass grow. The dog now, he's not going to release as quick next time. He might be so fixated on this because he's getting more enjoyment from this, the toy doesn't carry much value. So once you do get him off the dowel onto the toy, it's very important that you really play heavy, vigorously. Yeah, lots of noise, go crazy. So the next time when you bring it out with the out command, boom, he spits this out and he launches for it. And you saw how fast he spit out the dowel. And all my dogs, I've trained them that way, where literally I'm using the prey drive to get what I want. So I don't have to go into heavy corrections. Now later on, I can use a correction just to really fine tune things. But I find that by using this method, not only does he release quickly, it becomes very reliable. The dog now, because he's exchanging one for the other, his drive is up here. And like I said, the corrections are just used later on for fine tuning, if anything. Give it out.
Oh, good boy, Fexy. Yay. Yeah, good boy. Oh, good boy, Fexy. Oh, good boy.
Sit. Nice. So now I've got the dog seated, and at this level, what we want is for the dog to have a fairly solid grip, as you see there, on the dowel. No chew. Good boy. And then what's going to happen is, in a moment, we're going to issue that out. Good boy. And deliver the toy. Atta boy.
Oh, good, there we go. Good job. Yeah. Oh, stole that. You got that right out of my hand. Good boy. Yay. Good boy. Ooh. Ah. Oh, how's it?
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah.
Down. Good boy. Atta boy. So you saw what I did. I engaged the dog's play drive, and then I worked my way up the line, got the dog into a seated position, keeping tension on the dumbbell or the dowel line, and then helping him with my other hand under his jaw as I bring him up. Sit. While he's seated, I test it a little bit. Make sure he stays strong on the dowel. Because usually what happens is when they feel any type of tension on the dowel line, it causes that opposition reflex where they grip down hard because they feel as though you're trying to take it away. So I'm going to use that to my advantage. So I'm going to do this while he's seated, sit. And then when everything looks good, I'm going to reach back. I'm going to say, out, boom, and then we exchange. Take away this and offer that. And then it's game on. And he was pretty quick. He got it from me. But that's the beauty of it. You want him to release immediately. And like I said before, with the least amount of conflict. That's the beauty of working the dog on the post and engaging his play drive when you're teaching him the dowel retrieval. The whole idea of this stuff is to prepare him for when we do bring out the dumbbell. And I like to do a lot of my preliminary work with the dowel. So if there's any mistakes to be made, it's made with the dowel, not the dumbbell. The dumbbell is the finisher. That's what we use in the actual trial. So for all the prep work, will be limited to this. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, boy. Good job. Oh, oh, house. Good boy, wow. Yeah, he's super fast. Oh, down.
Good job, buddy. When using the toy, you want to make sure that your toy is placed in your pocket in such a way that you'll be able to get it out fairly quick. I've seen handlers where they have the toy on them. When it's time to deliver the bite, they're fumbling. Sometimes the toy even falls on the ground. So it does require a little bit of skill on your part to make sure that A, it's placed properly, and that B, you get a proper hold of that toy and you bring it out super fast. Faster you can bring it out, the faster he's going to react. Now, this is not just limited to the use of toys. If you have a dog that doesn't really care for toys, but let's say is a chow hound, loves food, you can use food as well. Now, what I would suggest is to use a high value reward. So I know some guys, they have dogs that love the raw food. So they'll actually carry the raw food in a Ziploc bag. They'll engage the dog in the way of tug of war. And then what'll happen is, as they're tugging, they're gonna reach in, grab some, out, put it right by the dog's nose. So they're literally gonna have the food right here. And what do you think happens? The dog spits it out, boom, and then the food goes in immediately. So it can work with the food, but like I said, it's gotta be high value. You want something that he goes crazy over in order for him to release fairly quick. I myself prefer this method with the toy because it really allows me to engage the dog and bring that drive up really.
We interrupt this broadcast to bring you some breaking news.
Okay guys, don't forget about our membership. You may want to sign up for that. It gives you access to free tutorials, rewards, giveaways. Sometimes we give away apparel, we give away equipment, whether it be harnesses, sleeves, leashes. We do a lot with the membership program. So you may want to look into that, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification button as well, so this way you'll be notified when we have new and upcoming videos. Take care, guys.